federations, member of the CSN that are public servants that work for the government, be it in education or health. We're here to give a strong response to the demands we've been offered by the government. The government wants us to get poorer as each year goes by because he's not offering any pay raise for next year and the year after that. And guess what? Everything else is going up. The price of electricity, the price of meat, the price of public transportation. And well, we're fed up with it and we want to intensify our means of action so the government knows we mean business.